Hey guys, in this video we are going to check out each and every leaks and renders to give you every available information about the Tab S6 including its expected launch date and pricing. So stay tuned and let's get started. First, let me make it clear, for some reason Samsung is choosing to skip the number 5 and go straight to 6, and thus we have the upcoming Galaxy Tab S6 that makes it clear that there will be no S5 for the S5e, which was the trend for these tablets. Now, according to a certification from the Taiwanese National Communications Commission, the latest Samsung tablet will feature a 6840 mAh battery with 15W fast charging capabilities. The listing matches the SM-T860 model number of the Tab S6 and also reveals the device will ship with the charging adapter which is capable of 15W fast charging. The company may be trying to make the device thinner by sacrificing its battery capacity, as Samsung Galaxy Tab S4 is equipped with a 7300 mAh battery, but the upcoming Galaxy Tab S6 battery capacity is lower than that, as you already know. Now let's take a look at this render. The tablet itself will be almost all screen, just like the iPad Pro, featuring a thin bezel all around the display. We may be looking at a 10.5-inch OLED display according to leaks, which would give the Tab S6 an advantage over iPads. The screen is rumored to pack an in-display fingerprint sensor, which would be first for tablets. That is supported by the fact that it doesn't appear to have a 3D face recognition or a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner. The image also shows the tablet has the USB-C port and two of the rumored 4 speakers which are visible from this side. The Tab S6 won't have a headphone jack according to reports. And like its predecessor, the Tab S6 will come with a stylus, and that groove at the back is where you magnetically attach it to the tablet. It's neat in that it will also charge while it's there. As you can see, there is a grey area from where it will supposedly charge. And yes, you guessed it right, that means this S Pen will also have Bluetooth support. The S Pen will probably ship with the tablet, but the renders also shows keyboard/case accessory which may be optional or included in the Galaxy Tab S6 price. Coming to its performance, the phone is powered by the Qualcomm's Snapdragon 855 SoC coupled with 6GB of RAM and 128 and 256GB of storage, and there will be external memory card support which expands storage up to 512GB. If you are wondering, this tab will not feature the overclocked version of Snapdragon 855, which is Snapdragon 855 Plus, as there are no reports supporting this claim. And as for the OS, it will be Android 9 with one UI skin on top, which is not that surprising, even though it's probably going to be unveiled within days or at most weeks of Google's pushing out Android Q to its devices. But by now you should know that how it goes with Samsung's flagship device launches occurring in the second half of any given year. They all run the Android iterations that was released the year before. Finally, the last signature feature of the Tab S6 will be its dual rear cameras, which is yet another first for the tablets. No detail about the actual camera hardware have been outed yet, but there are rumors that the first one will be a 13-megapixel primary sensor and the second one will be a 5-megapixel ultra-wide-angle sensor. For selfies, we get an 8-megapixel sensor on the front. The device will be available in two versions, Wi-Fi only and Wi-Fi plus LTE. And the color options are grey, blue and brown. Judging by the timing of the recent leaks of the Galaxy Tab S6, it may be announced alongside the Note 10 family on August 7th. Alternatively, the new flagship tablet could be revealed at IFA Berlin in September. As for the pricing, currently there is no information. Its predecessor Galaxy Tab S4 was launched with a price tag of $650 for the base variant. Considering this and above mentioned specs, we expect the starting price of the Galaxy Tab S6 could be $750. With that, we are at the end of this video. If you found it interesting and liked it, then you should subscribe. See you next time. Peace out.